So finally, it looks like Microsoft Office app is becoming free with ad support. So someone DM'd me on Twitter saying that they can use Microsoft 365 Office app without subscription for free with ad support. Now, here is the screenshot he sent me. And here, let's have a look at it actually. So this is Microsoft 365 running with ads in India. Yeah, this is a Microsoft Word app. And you can see here, let me actually move myself over here. There is a ad sponsored by Microsoft. Okay. To remove ads, subscribe to Microsoft 365. Yeah, it's already happening. You can use Microsoft 365, previously known as Microsoft Office 365, for free with ad support, which is actually pretty cool in my opinion. I don't really use Office apps that much. I do have Office app, but it's not from the Microsoft. I actually use LibreOffice. Again, I don't use that much, but sometimes I have to, so I'm using this one. But it feels clunky, the LibreOffice, in my opinion. The UI feels a little bit outdated. So if you're in India, you can use Microsoft Office desktop app for free with ads. When you download the Microsoft Office app, there will be two options: continue for free with ads, or you subscribe and pay for it. Okay, so here you can see ad supported, limited features and all that. I have actually already tried this when I saw this message. He sent me this message almost a week ago. And I tried it, but it didn't work for me. But my country is very close to India. It should work. So let me try this one more time. So this is the official website where you can download the Microsoft Office app. You can actually use Microsoft Office for free on the web. You don't have to download anything. You can use all the Office apps for free on the web. You can also get the desktop version. So I'm going to download the desktop installer for Windows, and let's install it. And let's see if we can use this for free with the ad support. Again, I have tried this once and it didn't work for me. And since India is very close to my country, it should work. I think in most of the Asian countries, it should work. Okay, it's installed. Now, let's open it. Why not? Okay, let's open the Word and let's create a blank document. Okay, accept. Most features are disabled because your Office product is inactive. Okay, I'm not getting the pop-up. There should be a pop-up when I launch this, like this. Even if I don't see continue for free, I should get a pop-up where I have this option. Now let's close this and open something else, maybe PowerPoint. They have changed the pop-up. Like now it's like an address bar which says to activate or use the web version. I think Microsoft is slowly expanding the free version of Office with ad support. So right now it looks like it's available in India. So if you're watching this from India, try this out, see if it works with ads for free, and let me know in the comments. Okay, but it looks like I can't use this in my country. Okay, you'll have to sign into the Microsoft account, I think. Yeah, he's signed in. And then you choose the free plan with ad supported, and you can see the ads in here. Okay, let me move myself here. So yeah, you basically see an ad to the side, and yeah, if you want to remove them, you have to get the subscription. Sadly, it looks like it's not available in my country, but I'm pretty sure Microsoft is slowly expanding this. Again, it's confirmed that it's available in India. Okay, so this guy who sent me this is from India. You can also try this, see if it's available in your country or not. It may be limited test. Maybe for some people it will be available, for some maybe not, or maybe in some region it's already available. Again, if you're watching this from India, download this and try it out and see if it works for you. If every one of you can use this, that means it's already out in your region. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.